If the Xbox app shows we couldn't sign you into Xbox Live with error code 0x800040005 on Windows, this updated fix will get you back online. This error usually happens because Xbox services are stopped, the app cache is corrupted, or Windows sign-in services are out of sync. First, press the Windows key, type services, and open it. Scroll down and find Xbox Live Auth Manager. Xbox Live Game Save and Xbox Networking Service. Open each one, set the startup type to automatic, and if any service is stopped, click Start, then Apply and OK. Now close services, press Windows R, type WSReset, and press Enter. A command window will open and close automatically. This clears the Microsoft Store cache. Next, press Windows key I to open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Xbox app, click the three dots, and choose Advanced Options. Then click Repair First, and if the repair doesn't fix it, come back and click Reset. This will sign you out but won't harm your games. After that, do the same steps for Microsoft Store and Xbox Live Auth Manager if listed. Now restart your PC. This step matters more than you think. After reboot, open the Microsoft Store and sign in with the same Microsoft account you used for Xbox. Once signed in, open the Xbox app and try signing in again. If the error still appears, press Windows R, type CMD, then press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter, then wait until the scan reaches 100%. Restart your PC after the scan finishes. As a final fix, make sure Windows is fully updated by going to Settings, Windows Update, and installing any pending updates. Most of the time, one of these steps fixes this error completely. If the video helped you fix the Xbox app sign-in error, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next video.